Hello and welcome to the Ideal Home Exhibition where Design Help launched its fantastic new online interior design help service, and wow, have we had a fantastic response. It's been amazing, and we can only say a massive thank you to everybody that's come along and joined us. And for those of you that are still considering joining, then do so, because we're an amazing resource for you specifically while you're refurbishing. Now don't forget, we've got a lot of fantastic items to consider when you join us. We have 3 very exciting things to help you as you are interior designing your own property. One is our fantastic master plan that really helps you, guide you through the process of the project, step by step. We hold your hand. Secondly, we have a new one-to-one operational session with you in your own home. Now this is very new and very innovative because we have some templates to scale at 1 to 50, which you can have if you contact us. But you have to be a member first, so you've got to join us. Now of course, we are downloading videos every single week about a different subject, and they are backed up with online advice help. So they're written notes to guide you through your stages of the project. So this is Debbie of Design Help signing out at the Ideal Home Exhibition.